Hey everyone, welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. Today we're going to be in the guest bedroom, the guest bathroom. I'm also going to be cleaning the fridge out and just getting ready for my dad to come visit. It's nothing too crazy in this video, but I still hope you guys enjoy this one, and let's get started. Everything will be fine. So my dad is coming to visit. He's coming to spend Super Bowl with us. Also, Blake's birthday is around that time, so we're going to be celebrating that. And he's also coming to watch them play a few basketball games. So a bunch of fun things coming up. I think when I film this, he's actually coming the next day. So I try to wash bedding and everything the day before. One of the first things I do when I know guests are coming is get their sheets and duvet cover, pillowcases, everything thrown in the washing machine. And since the bedding is all white, I always add just a little bit of bleach and a lot of scent beads. Alright, so now that we have the bedding going in the washing machine, this is the best time to dust your fan, just in case any dust falls down on the bed. It's just easier to wipe up. You don't want any of that on clean bedding. And I'm just using my Swiffer duster for this. So the bathroom actually isn't that bad. I'm still going to sanitize and clean the toilet. Just going to be using some disinfecting wipes, and I'm also going to scrub the inside of the toilet before I use my little Lysol gel things. I love using those because they keep your toilet clean for weeks. I'm also going to do a quick wipe down on the mirrors using my Sprayway. So I'm going to be going grocery shopping tomorrow morning before my dad gets here. So I'm going to clean out the fridge, get rid of anything that's old. All of our leftovers are going to be gone, and I'm just going to leave it as bare as possible so it's ready for when I get back from getting groceries.
Take a train ride just to see you. Right for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. I don't wanna stay with you just to have to leave. If it isn't meant to be, you'll still be here eternally. I don't wanna say goodbye, I just arrive. If it isn't meant to be, you'll still be here eternally. I hope to make you my own before the train ride.
So I got these containers from the Container Store and I use them for deli meat and cheeses. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the drawer that they usually go in so they're ready for when I come back.
Before the train ride home, I hope to make you my own before the train ride home. I hope to make you my own.
Sheets are finally done, so I'm going to go ahead and put those on in the guest bedroom. I'm going to vacuum and then we're going to move on to the linen closet. So our linen closet is directly across from the guest bedroom and right next door to the guest bathroom. So I normally wouldn't take towels out for guests because it's right there. So I like to try to keep it kind of organized and nice and just easy for them to find what they need. So I'm just going to take everything out, wipe down the shelves because I haven't done this in a while, and just spruce it up a little bit. The cleaning supplies that I keep in my linen closet are just things that I would need upstairs only, so I'm not running up and down the steps every time I need to wipe something down. I'm just going to take all of that stuff out. I did get a couple new bins to organize all my little cleaning supplies in. It'll look a little bit better for when guests have to go in and out of the linen closet. So the dark brown bins at the top are from the Container Store. One holds my steamer and one holds a bunch of little things that I add to the guest basket that I just keep in here. These bins are from Target. These are pretty cool. They look like they're wicker, but they're not. They're like a plasticky fabric material, so it's good for your hand towels, your face towels, things like that. The clear bins came from Target as well, and these metal plates are for labels, so I need to print some labels out later on to label what is in each bin. I got those from the Container Store. So I almost didn't put this footage in the video just because it's kind of random, but I decided to do it at the last minute because I did mention that my dad is coming down to watch the Super Bowl with us and spend Blake's birthday with us. So that's what I'm doing now. Me and Braden only have about 30 minutes to decorate downstairs while they're out and about with Blake. So we're gonna be in a little bit of a hurry. You won't see me set up everything. And if you're wondering, I got almost everything from Party City, and instead of a cake this year, he's gonna do a bunch of donuts. So we got those from Krispy Kreme. We are getting a balloon delivery, so you'll see that when we go to the front door. But I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one.
There and blow the candle out, boy.
Yeah, we'll talk. Yeah. There you go.
Oh yeah, there you go.